Namaste everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Candace and today I have a really quick yoga break. So this is going to be a lovely quick flow that's just going to build a little bit of heat and stretch out the body for those times. Maybe when you've just got a really quick break at work. Maybe your child's gone for a nap and you know they don't nap long and you think quickly get on the mat. Whatever it may be, this is the perfect flow for you. And it's going to be all levels. I'll provide you with different variations of poses. So we're going to hop straight into it. So coming into a seat, knees bent, sit up tall, hold onto the knees and exhale, arch the spine, hug your belly button back towards your spine, tuck your chin, inhale, lift the chest, look up and open the knees. Continue this flow. Exhale, arch, tuck the chin. Inhale, look up, open your knees. Two more, just like that. Exhale, arch. Inhale, look up. One more. Exhale, arch. Inhale, look up. Opening the knees a little wider and bringing the soles of the feet together into our butterfly pose. Your knees may be lifted and that's okay. Just sit up tall or place your hands behind your back. If you can, maybe take a grip of the big toes or the feet and start to roll the body from side to side. Loosening the lower spine, especially if you've been sitting. Opening up through those hips. If you can't do this, just try to see if you can find a very gentle side bend or side movement. But make it your own, and if you feel any discomfort, then just sit where you are and make sure you're not pushing your body. If you're even more intermediate, you can always rest down on your forearms, just stretching through those inner thighs. And lift up, place your feet hip distance, hands shoulder distance behind you, fingers facing the toes. We're going to lift up through the hips, coming into a reverse tabletop. Squeeze your glutes and look to the sky. You'll feel a stretch through the shoulders. Squeezing the glutes, lift a little higher if you can. Exhale down, two more just like that. Inhale, lift. Exhale down. One more, lift. Exhale down. When you come down, take your hands behind your knees and lift your feet off the ground. Hug your belly button back. This is our boat pose. This is the beginner variation. You can just hang out here, find your balance. Don't worry if you fall out. If you're a little more intermediate, maybe straighten the legs and the arms. But be where you are today. Just holding your boat, hugging your belly button back. Slowly, as you can, straighten your legs, place them on the ground and sit up tall in your staff pose. Keep your heels lifted off the ground so you're engaging through the thighs and you're lifting your knees up towards your body. If this is not possible, just add a little bend into your legs, however bent you need them to be. Lift your hand to the sky, look up. Exhale, fold, finding a forward fold, hamstring stretch. take 3 breaths in your hamstring stretch and keep your knees bent if needed. Nice deep inhales and exhales in and out of the nose. Inhale, look forwards, bringing your arms back to the sky. Take a few big circles with the arms. Keep your heels lifted off the ground in your staff. And then rotate in the opposite direction. Start to lean back, bending the legs, coming back into your boat pose. Stay in a beginner variation just like this. Or perhaps more intermediate, hug your belly button back. Using the power of your core, keep your legs lifted. Bend your knees, open your legs, place the feet on the ground and start to straighten the legs. This may be enough for you. You don't have to open your legs very wide. And again, either sit up tall or bend your knees. Or if you can, start to just find a little rock or roll from side to side. Maybe you can come forwards and place your hands on the ground just for a second. Take a breather. Big inhales and exhales. And then come on up, grab behind the knees, come into your final boat pose. So you can stay in the beginner variation, knees bent, or straighten the legs and the arms, holding it just for a couple of breaths. And then just cross your ankles and come into a comfortable seat. Any seat of your choice. And just extend the arms to the sides, take the fingertips to the ground and lock your elbow. Dropping your head to the left. Start to roll the chin just from shoulder to shoulder. Stretching out through the neck and also through the tops of the shoulders. Hug your belly button back, just taking a few more just like this. Back to center, rotating the wrists in one direction and then in the other. And then take your fingertips to face your legs and your thumbs on the outside edges of the hands. Come forward and try to plant the palms down to the ground. You can bend your elbows to go a little deeper if that's possible. Don't worry if you can't get your palms to go flat against the floor, that will come with time. And then do a little rock from side to side. Especially if you've been working on a computer, this may feel really good. Slowly come up, give the hands a little roll one more time. Last pose, everybody. Just taking the hands down to the ground, the opposite side now, the tops of the hands. Fingers facing the legs, thumbs inside edge this time. Find a little rock from side to side if that feels good and make sure there's no pain. And then come on up. I hope you've all enjoyed this lovely quick flow, perfect to fit into your day at any point, and you can do it as often as you like. I really hope you enjoyed it, and of course let me know how you got on in the comments below, and if you have any requests then I'd love to film them for you. So until next time everybody, have a wonderful day. Namaste.